Zach has 4 things going for him that the other candidates don't have. First, he has a vision and a plan, and he knows how to make his plan work. He's already done it in the 3rd District. He wants to do all that and more in the whole state of Tennessee. Second is a person named Kim, his wife. She's a little dynamo, and she's just as committed to this as he is. She's here and she's there. She's making speeches for him. She's wonderful. The third one is Weston Watt, who's my grandson that I love so much, and Cody is the 4th one, my granddaughter. Those 2 kids think nothing of leaving college after their work is done and driving 2 or 3 hours to make a 7-minute talk for their dad because he's too busy in Washington to be there, or he's at the other end of the state. They're always ready and willing to go, and they're totally committed. The people of Tennessee can do nothing but win with these 4. I'm so proud of them, and you will be too if you have them in the governor's mansion.